Oh yeah. Our van has just such an unappealingly dark bed space, and since we're going to be moving into it full time in the winter, light is super important, so we're fucking putting in a window. Hello my darlings, how are we? I hope you're all doing well. I really need to take these two pieces off, plastic like pieces that work the door mechanisms, and I know that they're just press fit on. I know that they are because I've taken them off before to put this panel up, but I'm just nervous to do it because I don't want to break them.
Ready for some brute force?
Panel off, great, moving on. That's good enough. Ow! Ow!
Right.
I just hit myself on the head with some wood.
Going.
Oh shit. Hi. Did I mention the fact that we're moving into our van in 3 days? It's gonna be fine.
Yep.
Oh yeah. That's some irreparable damage.
Yep.
Okay, what did we do? Okay. Oh, like a fucking glove. Oh shit. Oh shit. This is so exciting. A brief interlude to show you the wonders of a Scottish breakfast pack. Here's one I made earlier. You've got your square sausage, you've got your circle sausage, you've got your link sausage, which is already half devoured. Haggis, fruit pudding. Lewis is on it with the black pudding. And a bagel as well. I didn't feel I needed that, just enough meat there. If you're not Scottish or you've never been to Scotland, then go there and buy a breakfast pack, and then we'll talk.
Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out sideways. Oh yeah.
I was like, hello, Phoebe. Oh, good boy.
You didn't put haggis with Harry Haggis?
No, I didn't.
You literally did that when you named him.
Yeah, I know, but then I didn't do it when we ate it. We're eating haggis in
Haggis
front of
for
haggis. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, Harry Haggis. This must be so uncomfortable for you. Oh, do you want to take one of those satisfying tape removal videos?
Hello.
Are you satisfied? I'm satisfied. If you've managed to live your life up until this point without ever having to use metal paint, then I absolutely envy you. Because every single time you want to use it, you have to gouge out this hardened bit on the top of it. And it's just like, I always think it's going to be fun, and then it is for like 30 seconds, and then I get incredibly bored and I'm over it. Oh god, it's heinous! Fudge it, that's going to be fine.
I think you might be using a bit too much.
Is it globuling?
Yeah, on the
that
side.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, window looks great already.
Thank you. It's mostly because of the view, isn't it?
Yep. In the background. Alright, is that it?
I don't know, is it? No, it's not, actually, sorry.
What's the next stage?
Close the van door and have a look at it from the inside and see if we regret our decision.
Oh,
Are you ready to see it?
yeah, nervous.
Okay. Oh, it's low. Oh, it's cute though.
It's nice.
Oh, it's a
Not
cute
quite
hole in
as
the
low,
van.
quite as low as I was thinking.
Yeah, we were worried it was going to be too low, and I think it's like it's just on the edge.
We can't really have it any higher.
That is a bummer that it couldn't be higher. It would be nicer if it was higher, but I think it's nice.
It's nice.
It'll be okay. Disclaimer, don't do this at home, kids. Only true cowboys get to do this shit. That's how you know you're doing cowboy shit. We ordered a profile gauge on Amazon to help us do all the cutting of the wood, and it's just arrived as we're just about to do the last cut. Well,
You wanted it anyway. So.
I've always wanted a profile gauge. I've wanted one forever, so at least now we have one for next project.
That's cool though.
Yeah, it's really cool, isn't it?
It's really cool.
Wow. Take a profile of your big fat arm. It's too muscly, it broke the gauge. Wow. You have a weird shaped arm.
Well, that was already like that.
Leo! Leo! Leo!
Stop it!
No.
Okay, let's put it.
Oh shit. I've wanted a profiler for about 2 years. Look at that. Okay, because like... Oh yeah, it's so worth it.